Hi everyone, welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we are going to do another podcast type
channel update.
Video channel update. So let's roll that intro. Okay, we wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update as far as what's going on with us, what's going on with Caking at Midnight, and what is going on with tutorials and time lapses, and just an overall rundown of what's happened since January. So our outdoor farmer market has canceled. Well, it just ended.
Season's over.
Sad. And the indoor market that we did, that you guys have seen in previous videos, they made it smaller because of COVID. So as we were trying to figure out, should we be in this market? Do we want to do that? Are we worn out? What do we need to do? It was filled up. We couldn't get in. So there's actually there's a couple, but the two main markets in Fort Wayne, Indiana, where we're from. The other one is still trying to figure out if we have a winter market or not. That's a hassle.
Yeah, it's kind of a pain, but hopefully they'll figure it out soon.
We hope. I did sign up for an 11-day market in December.
Which we will be vlogging on those.
I think you guys do like the vlogs. So if you do like the vlogs, we'll do more of them. Just let us know down below. Just be open with us. We would like to know what you guys enjoy to watch, because there's no reason to do it if you guys aren't enjoying it. So let us know what you like to see. So as far as vlogs and farmers markets, that won't be happening for a while just because we don't have anywhere to go. But it was nice today to not do anything.
Yeah, for once, this is the first Saturday since
May?
Yeah, probably May, that we haven't had anything to do, which is kind of nice, even though you did stuff last night.
Yeah, but that was really quick. I was done in like half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's the farmers market update.
Yep.
As far as Caking at Midnight goes, we are so busy. I am so busy. Josh now is working out of town, so it's been really hard for us to get a video up. So if you've noticed that it's not our every Friday at 11:45 and something's going wrong, or it's another time lapse again, I'm super busy, and now Josh is working out of town, so it's really hard to get a video recorded when he's not here and then give him enough time to edit it and upload it. So we apologize for that. We have just been busy and our schedules are not the same, and with him being out of town, it really is hard.
Yeah.
So there are a couple tutorials that I have planned that I want to get on the channel so you guys can see. You guys have been reaching out to me with questions, and I appreciate that. I will answer them the best that I have had experience in whatever you're asking. I did buy some cake sickle molds. I want to do cake sickles really bad. So I did buy those. And I was asked about how we package stuff for farmers markets. So I want to get that done as a video pretty quick too, because you guys are going to be going into smaller markets now, or a winter market like we were supposed to go into, but that just didn't happen quite yet. So I want to get on there how we package our cupcakes, how to do our cake pops and stuff like that. So if there's little things in there that you guys have questions about, or have seen in the vlog that you have questions about, just let us know. But those are a few things that are coming up that we're going to try and get our best to get done.
Yep.
But without the Saturday farmers markets, it should be a little bit easier. But like I said, now Josh is working out of town, so it's always something.
Yeah. Busy life. Busy time right now.
And we also don't want to forget about all of the new subscribers on this channel. You guys have literally blown up my channel, and I am just truly amazed and thankful for everybody that is on here, who comments, who reaches out about questions. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, you have anything to say to them?
Thanks. Thanks for subscribing.
He's quiet this time.
Keep on subscribing. We enjoy doing these videos, so
yes,
keep more coming.
Josh really likes them. So, sorry for the time lapses, unless you like the time lapses. but they're very specific on what we do because there are other cakes that I've been doing. So if you'd like one you'd like, if there's one you'd like to see, let us know too. If you don't like the time lapses, let me know. There's still gonna be a few in there because like I said, it's hard to get a video on, but let us know. Or if there's a different point of view. I know like the succulent video is kind of hard. That was when we were kind of first starting out.
Yeah, I mean, that was what, a year ago?
Last November.
Yeah, so we're still trying to figure things out and stuff was still coming along, so.
Or if there's a video that you can't see or you want to see more of or a different angle or you want me to redo it, I'll redo it. So I'm very concerned, I guess, on what you guys are seeing and what you want to know more about. So again, if the succulent one is terrible, I can redo it for you. We have done quite a few succulent cupcakes since that video.
Yeah, those are pretty popular. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, people do like those. More tutorials. Okay, so the other thing you guys have asked me for is a P.O. box or some place to send stuff to us, which has just blown me out of the water. I'm just like, ooh, somebody wants to send me stuff. I like surprises, so that was like, ooh.
So we could actually do like an unboxing, because you always said you wanted to do like mail time like Casey Neistat used to do.
Yeah, because I think it's fun, and I don't know, I love to open boxes. So, and the thing that has taken along with that also is I have our son in virtual school, so I can't leave, and he doesn't get home until the afternoon, and every time we go down there to get it, they're like, oh, you should have come earlier. I'm like, I can't come earlier. It's not an option.
Right.
And I'm not hauling 3 kids into the place to get a personal mailbox. So I will put, or Josh will put the address on the screen. We'll put it down below, but it's caking. But that's not all of it, is it? It doesn't say. It doesn't say our name. Okay, sorry, my handwriting's not the greatest, but oh!
Here's the microphone.
I can't read that yet because it's not dark enough. Okay, so Caking at Midnight. It's 10214 Chestnut Plaza Drive, box number 229, and that's Fort Wayne, Indiana 46814. But I'll put it down below, or Josh put it on the screen. One of the two. We'll get it. But if you want to send us anything or, you know, whatever.
Yeah, any packages or any corporate places want us to try out their products, you can send it to that.
Food crafting cake drip.
Watch the microphone.
Sorry, I can't get it. It's too bright. Okay, I can't do it. But this stuff is cool. We've done a video on it. It comes in lots of different colors. The cake store that I go to just doesn't have all the colors yet, so I need all the colors. But the chocolate and the white, really good. Mm-hmm. And you can reuse it. So if you don't use everything in the bottle, just heat it up again for 30 seconds and you're done. It's cool. So that's our P.O. box, personal mailbox.
Personal mailbox. It's not a P.O. box. What they tell us. So it's a personal mailbox. So it's just like sending anything to a house.
I'm just not sending it to my house.
Right.
But I know you guys have asked where you can send stuff, so now you know. Okay, dear.
Is that it? Oh, there you go. Last thing. All right. So if you have any suggestions on what you want us to do or what you want to see on this channel, just let us know. Drop down in the comment section below and we'll work on it.
We need suggestions because we get busy and then things go out there. Oh, the biggest thing, well, I guess it's not YouTube related, but the biggest thing that Caking at Midnight has added is I brought on 2 ladies and they do decorated cookies for us. So if you see decorated cookies on Instagram, it's from Christina and Melody. And they're yummy. And Josh loves the chocolate.
Chocolate. Tastes like brownies. Mm-hmm.
So that's another thing that's been super busy. We've added cookies to the mix and that's been busy. And if you're local, we book up fast, so you need to order ASAP.
Yep.
I feel like there's more that's been going on. It's just been a lot of cakes and cake pops, like you like to say.
Wedding cakes.
Oh my gosh, yes. And
I even got a job thanks to one of the wedding cakes.
Yes, Sparky Media. Shout out to Sparky Media. You should follow Sparky Media on Instagram.
It's at Sparky Media. At Sparky.media.
No, but Josh has started his own photography thing on the side too, so you should follow that. It's got all my cakes on there, as does Instagram, but it also has everything you've done. Street photography, real estate,
Family portraits,
and we're doing a wedding next weekend.
Yep.
So
we're pretty busy.
So yeah, my cake will be there at the wedding, and then Josh will be.
And you'll be helping me.
I just got used to being on this side of the camera. Now I have to learn to be on that side.
Yep.
I've taken a lot of pictures. They're just probably not Josh quality pictures.
You'll learn.
Okay, so we thank all the subscribers for watching, for having comments, for suggesting things. If there's anything you want to see, let us know. We've been very, very busy. And thank you.
Yep. Thanks, everybody.
You're quiet this time. I don't like it.
It's all right. See you on the next one.
Happy caking.